wrapping in my hometown because I've been sending a lot of the gifts there, but I am gonna wrap Maddie's gift, which I guess I can show you because she would have opened it by now. Maddie is a big Taylor Swift fan, so I actually went on Etsy and got her a sweatshirt that says, "I'm on some new shit," which is a folklore reference. And of course, I ordered this weeks before a new album came out by Taylor Swift. How was I supposed to know that a new album would come out and make this out of date? I also got these really cute stickers that are based off of the lyrics of some songs on that same album. So I'll have a link to both these Etsy shops. They both were packaged really beautifully, and you can tell the sellers put a lot of care into their products. So yeah, I hope she likes these. Also just finished wrapping a stocking stuffer for my mom, but I wrapped it before showing you, but I bought one for myself as well. This is a Baby Yoda eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. Like, look how adorable. I think they have been stocking these or bringing them back in stock, so I'll have it linked below. I don't have a Christmas card for Maddie's gift, but I have these blank cards, so I'm just gonna quickly whip something up. Situation is going smoothly. I'm bringing home laundry. Got a suitcase filled with some clothes and some things I need to take. I've got beauty stuff that will go in here. All my tech because I still have to do some work back home. I've got tons of chargers and like microphone and camera and all that fun stuff. And that's gonna go into my Swiss Gear travel bag. I've talked about this bag before, but it's one of my favorites for just short trips because it opens like a suitcase. It looks like I'm bringing a lot, but I think it's just the laundry that makes it look a little intense. I just don't want to leave laundry here. And also, if I can do laundry at my parents' place for free, that is ideal. I think though, the plan will be to finish up tomorrow morning because there are things that I can't pack yet because I still have to use them. Until then, I'm gonna sit back, hydrate myself, and watch The Grinch. Tried to self-care this morning and my eye patches just keep sliding down my face. Saying goodbye to the apartment. I have all my stuff here. I've got Maddie's gift, my camera, my suitcase and backpack, which this is another reason I love that backpack, is it just slips right into the suitcase. Laundry, and then this is actual garbage I have to get rid of. Bye apartment. We are doing gift exchange.
You know what's so funny? Is this from Etsy?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's the same girl. I ordered one for Evermore and I just got it and it says, long story short, it was a bad time.
Stop.
That's so funny.
Stop. I ordered that weeks ago and then she dropped a new album and I'm like, are you kidding me?
I wonder.
Ooh, some squish gummies. An animal face mask.
But it sucks.
Wait, I haven't even seen this mug.
Indigo.
Oh my god, I love that. I haven't bought a mug all year.
I'm so proud of you for that one.
This is so nice.
Isn't that fun? It was so hard to not buy myself one too.
I love that. I just got home. I'm in my bedroom. Have my bags and stuff. Look how cute my mom is. This is what I walked into. Oh, there's a little guy. Is this not adorable? And then what did she do? She over here, she displayed the Squishmallows. So sweet. I'm so happy to be home. Library about to do some gift wrapping duties, and the library is looking very festive this year. The first gift I'm wrapping is actually a gift for my goddaughter. Her some clothes from Zara Kids. These clothes are so cute. I would personally wear them. First is like this little hat with little pom-pom. How adorable. I got her this little bow shirt. Leggings with these little poms on them. Oh, they're butterfly poms. Look how cute. And this is my favorite piece. Oh my goodness. Just too much adorableness. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with my own kids one day. Okay, this was the first wrapping job. I'm using craft paper. I got ribbon action going on, little Charlie Brown theme, white jelly roll pen to write on the craft paper. My goddaughter's name is Diana, so she's cute. My friend Nadine really loves baths. Genuinely, I think she was a fish in another life. So I got her this really nice plush robe from Aerie. But the best part of her gift is this. I did get her a toy intended for kids 24 months and older. I mean, she's 23, so she fits the bill. I also got her some more like proper bath related things because it's also her birthday, so there's more to her gift. But I think it's always fun to just like be silly sometimes and add something a little quirky, and honestly I think she'll enjoy this a lot. Okay, this one is also so cute. Little dinosaur tag. So fun. Last year we had done a lot of gift wrap with craft paper and we used markers a lot to decorate it, but this year we did get some ribbon and I think it just adds a nice little touch to the gift. Gives it that little festive spice without being like too much. It does add a little bit of work, but I think it's worth it. This is the stocking display in my parents' place. This is my stocking, which has been my stocking for 23 years. My brother also has a Mickey version, my dad's, my mom's. I'm just in my inbox right now, looking over a few emails, and for the first time ever, I just set up an out of office reply. So for the next 2-ish weeks, no, about a week, someone sends me an email, I'll be like, bam, I'm off. Can't get back to you. Sorry, not sorry. We're doing like a charcuterie board, small apps kind of thing for Christmas Eve dinner because it's just the 4 of us, so we're not gonna do a big dinner. We're gonna save that for Christmas dinner. Tonight, we're just gonna have like cheese and crackers, and my mom made like a pumpernickel bread and dip. We bought rôtissoise, bolush de bacalhau. Just be a mixture of things. I'm really looking forward to it. Every year my parents give my brother and I Christmas pajamas on Christmas Eve. So these are my pajamas this year. They're from Aerie. Very festive. Definitely one of my favorite holiday traditions. And I'm gonna go head downstairs and enjoy some food because I'm starving. Wow, it's sweet.
It's a little creamy, but I like it. It almost tastes like like the milk and everything makes it taste like a milkshake almost, but then you get the alcohol.
Yesterday there was no snow at all on the ground, and this morning we wake up to the whitest Christmas and it's packing snow too. Ah, that is so cold. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Like, look how gorgeous that is. I'm freezing. I need to go back inside and have coffee, but this is quite the Christmas morning to wake up to. I just want to go in there and jump, but I'm not going to do that. I'm way too cold. Okay, gotta go in coffee. Whew. My dad is up. He's just chilling in the living room. My mom and my brother are still sleeping, which is totally fine. I feel like now that I'm older, you just kind of like Christmas to extend as long as possible. So I'm like, sleep as long as you want. Then we'll slowly open stockings and gifts, and we'll slowly make a great brunch. That's our plan today, is we're gonna have a great brunch. I'm making pancakes. There's vegetarian bacon, real bacon, eggs, more coffee. And then I think at 1-ish, we have a family Zoom with all my aunts, uncles, and cousins, because normally we'd be getting together with them, with my mom's side of the family on Christmas Day. And we can't do that this year, so we're just gonna do a quick pop in. I don't know how to do this.
Do what? Is that champagne?
Yeah.
Careful, you don't put your head over it. It fires, then it's gonna shoot you in the eye.
It's coming out. I just feel like this needs to move. Santa was very kind to me this year. I'm very excited about my new maple cutting board. I've been wanting to get a nice wooden cutting board for a while now. This is from Paderno and it's actually made in Canada. My mom even got me some oil to like treat it and take care of it, so I'm very, very pumped. I also got these beeswax food wraps, but if you notice, they're Harry Potter themed. Ravenclaw, Gryffindor. This is the company. I'll try and find them and link them down below. I also got this beautiful coffee table photo album. So it looks like a coffee table book, but it opens up and it's actually a photo album. And I've been wanting to print some photos and display them on my coffee table. So I think this is such a cute option. Again, this will be linked below. Just got off some FaceTimes with family and friends. I'm gonna have my second coffee of the day and go hang with the folks, with the brother, and just veg out. I've not put on any makeup. I've not changed out of pajamas. I'm staying like this the whole day. It's gonna be awesome. Really enjoyed doing Vlogmas this year in this style of like a weekly upload. So if it's something you wanna see me do next year, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm really looking forward to 2021 and new content for the new year. I'm excited. I'm feeling excited too for the new year, and really taking the next week to, again, slow things down, really think about what this year has been and what I want the next year to be like, and just get in the right headspace for January 1st. Like the video if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't already, and I will see you all very soon with a new video. Until then, bye everyone. I'm gonna go do some scratch and wins right now, and hopefully next time I speak to you, I'm like a gazillionaire. That would be ideal.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's no